Here we got this single speed lightning bolt. This was built up by big boss Matt a couple years ago, and then he gave it to me as a loaner and never took it back. So I've just been riding it when I'm in Jersey, which is really fun. But yeah, let's get into it. So up front we have the Nitto Crust Bonneville bars, and then Nitto Crust 1-inch threadless stem. I think it's 60 mil, I believe. Some very fancy Campagnolo brake levers, and some New Balm bar tape. It's a little faded now, but it was like this teal, but it looks sick. What else? We got these Diacomp canny brakes that are mix matched. I think they're the 980s or something like that, with a Paul yoke. And for the wheels, we have the 650B Crust rim brake wheels. And for tires, we have the Ultra Dynamico Rose 650B by 48 tires. And then we got Simworks water bottle. Damn, I forgot what bottle cage this is, but yeah, it's sick. It's easy to pull out the water bottle, put it back in. I love it. And then we have Reneer's cranks. I think they're 165 millimeter. And then we have the MKS Crust Gordito pedals right there. And I think the count of teeth on the chain ring is maybe 42. No, I don't know. Don't quote me on that. And then on the back we have a Surly cog, and I think that's 18 tooth. And then yeah, on the back, same thing with the brakes, mix matched Diacomp brakes, Paul yoke, and we have Campagnolo seat post and a Berthoud saddle. Berthoud, however you say it, but the saddle's really nice. See if there's anything else on this thing. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, we're gonna go, I'll try to go ride this through like some choppy stuff right now. We'll try to see what it's capable of, but not go too crazy. But definitely hit like some loose rocky descents and stuff. But sweet. Alright guys, I'll see you later. yeah, we kind of just biked everything from kind of pretty decently packed gravel road, which is like, I believe, where this bike excels. And then we hit some pretty chill like mountain bike tracks, or like single track. That's definitely not what this bike is meant for. But you saw like kind of how it's sort of capable. If you are a fan of under biking, that's a warranty void for sure. If you're just hitting single track with this thing all the time, this is not what it's meant for. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Wow.